This is the Avantree Shift. It allows you to connect headphones to two TVs at home with no interference. Each pair of headphones can easily connect with either transmitter. Swapping between the two is as easy as flipping a switch. In this video, you'll find these contents. Introducing the Avantree Shift. First, on the left of the transmitter is the power switch. On the right side of the transmitter is the volume boost switch. On the front of the transmitter are some indicators, such as channel indicators, audio input indicators, volume boost indicators, and the Add Device indicator. Below the indicators are the channel select button and the volume buttons. Lastly, there's the Add Device button. Next, let's look at the back of the transmitter. Here you can find the power port, the audio output ports, and the audio input ports. You can use any of the three audio input ports to connect to your TV. Lastly, there's an antenna. On the headphones, you will find the buttons for adjusting volume, the mute button, and the power switch. You can also use the switch to select the channel. Next are the EQ mode button, the 3.5mm aux port, and the charging port. Connecting the transmitter to your TV. First, connect the blue channel transmitter to a power source using the Type-C cable we provided. We recommend using the TV's USB power port or a wall plug as the power source. You can choose one of three different ways to connect the transmitter to your TV: optical, 3.5mm aux, or RCA. Check your TV's audio output port. Which one do you have? Please pick one, only one. If your TV has an optical out port, plug the provided optical audio cable into the transmitter's opt port in the Input from TV section. Then plug the other end into the TV's optical out port. If your TV has a 3.5mm aux port, plug the provided aux 3.5mm audio cable into the transmitter's aux port in the Input from TV section. Then plug the other end into the TV's 3.5mm aux out port. If your TV has red and white audio out ports, plug the provided RCA adapter into the 3.5mm aux audio cable. Then plug the other end into the transmitter's aux port in the Input from TV section, and plug the RCA adapter into the TV's audio out ports. Repeat the previous step to connect the second transmitter with your second TV as necessary. Each transmitter can work with both of the two provided headphones at the same time. Just switch the headphones to the same channel as the transmitter. First, turn on the blue channel transmitter. The channel indicator should light up blue. If not, tap the Channel Select button to switch to the blue channel. Then, turn on one or both of the headphones. Their channel indicator should light up blue. If not, slide the channel switch to the channel position until it switches to blue. They will connect within 2 seconds, and both the headphones and the transmitter's channel indicators will turn solid blue. Next, turn on the green channel transmitter. The channel indicator should light up green. If not, tap the Channel Select button to switch it to green. Then, slide one or both of the headphones' channel switch to the channel position to switch it to green. The headphones will connect to the green transmitter, and the LEDs will light up green. If you are connected to your TV via the optical out port, and you find that the transmitter's opt indicator is flashing, you'll need to configure your TV settings before you'll receive audio. Go to the Sound Settings menu on your TV, and make sure that your TV's audio output is set to optical out, and the audio format to PCM or stereo. Please do not put the audio format as auto. If your TV is one of the following brands, and you're having trouble setting the sound format on your TV to PCM, go to the Avantree website, where we have detailed steps for each TV brand. If you have a soundbar or stereo AVR, you may connect it to the output port on your Shift. It'll work simultaneously with the headphones. Please note that you must use the same connection type to pass through the external speaker and the TV. For example, if you use an opt connection to connect the Shift to the TV, You must also use an opt cable to connect the shift to your speaker. You can add extra shift transmitters and up to 100 shift extra headphones to your setup. Purchase these extra headphones from Avantree.com. First, press and hold the Add button on your transmitter for 5 seconds. The Add device indicator will flash blue. Next, slide the power switch to the pair position and hold it there for 5 seconds. The indicator will flash blue. Once connected, the channel indicator on both the transmitter and the headphones will turn solid blue. You can then swap channels as desired. Repeat these steps to add more headphones if needed. You can add a third shift transmitter to your setup. 3 transmitters are the max you can connect to this system. Purchase an additional transmitter from Avantree.com. First, press and hold the Add button on your third transmitter for 5 seconds. The Add device LED indicator will flash blue. Turn on one of your shift headphones. Then slide and hold the power switch to the pair position for 5 seconds. The LED indicator will quickly flash blue. Once connected, the channel indicator on both the third transmitter and the headphones will switch to a solid blue. Switch the channel on both the third transmitter and the headphones to the white channel. They will connect to each other via the white channel, and the channel indicator on both will turn solid white. Repeat these steps to pair any other headphones to the third transmitter. Now you've connected them to 3 TVs at your home, and each TV has its own channel. Swapping your headphones from one TV to another is as simple as flipping a switch. You can buy any accessories that you need on the Avantree website, including charging cables, audio cables, and more. All Avantree products have a 24-month warranty when purchased directly from Avantree.com. If you purchase through other channels such as Amazon, you can extend the warranty to 24 months by registering on our official website. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new product launches. Thanks for watching.